How to fix Play Store authentication required on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store authentication required on Android phone. First, then open settings, and now just scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and then just scroll down, scroll until you find here this one, Google Play Store. Click on it and then click force stop and go to storage, and here you will find clear cache. Click on it and then click clear data and click OK, and that's it. Now just go back and restart your phone and it will be fixed. And that's how to fix it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.